For this wind-up, we're going to the dogs. Nancy's going into business next Monday. She's opening Creedon's Doggy Daycare, looking after dogs and training and all that. It's at www.creedonsdoggydaycare.com. A little bit of fun with Nancy Creedon.
Hello, Creedon's Doggy Daycare.
Hello, how are you?
Not too bad, how are you?
I'm grand altogether. I have a clash of an old dog here, and he'd be fairly angry fella, you know.
Right.
You know what you could do for him?
Is it daycare you're looking for, or training classes, or...?
Yeah, sure, I suppose you could do with a bit of both, like.
Yeah, he'd probably need training classes now because we can't accept angry dogs into the daycare. They need to go through a behaviour assessment.
Huh?
So, training classes coming up. Is he a pup or how old is he?
Christ, I don't know, I have him 4 or 5 years, I suppose. Yeah, he's angry out though, you know.
Right, angry towards...
Anything, rabbits, people...
Right, that's him there in the background, is he?
Huh?
That's him in the background, is it?
That's him there, yeah. He's in good form now.
Right. He sounds a little bit angry, does he?
And he's probably hungry, the old like.
Oh, he's fed, is he?
Yeah, he got fed there. I gave him a bowl of cornflakes there. Jeez, he fed 2 days ago.
You'd need to feed him proper dog food now. You'd need to feed him at least once a day.
Actually, he gets Joe scraps on the table now and again in that, like, you know, but he's an angry old like.
It's just that could be part of the issue as well. It's just that what dogs eat will affect their behaviour. You know, even...
Hang on a second there, he's annoying me. I gotta give him a kick in the...
Sorry, don't kick him. You're joking, are you? Hello? Hello?
Sorry.
You're only joking, are you? Messing, are you?
I'm not, no, I told you he's angry. I'm looking for a bit of help with him.
You didn't just kick the dog, did you?
Huh?
You didn't just kick him, did you?
No, I didn't, no, who said I kicked a dog?
I thought you said that you were going to go kick him. Hey, excuse me. Hello?
Sorry.
Sorry, did you kick the dog?
No.
It's just, if you're not happy with the dog doesn't sound like he's happy there. Maybe you might be better off finding him another home.
What's the point in having a happy dog? It is a guard dog I want.
Fair on the dog.
Huh?
Fair on the dog. You can't have a dog and feed him cornflakes and shove him out of the room and just...
Watley! Get out of it! Get out of it!
Hello?
He's grand now, he's after calming down.
He doesn't sound very calm.
You sound very calm anyway.
It doesn't sound like you're happy and it doesn't sound like the dog's happy, so something will have to be done, but I mean, you need to start treating him properly.
But I treat him properly, feeds him when I can, and I look after him when I can. I brings him for a spin in the car every time I can. And
that's not looking after him properly. You have to feed him every day. You have to exercise him. You have to spend time with him. You have to train him. You have to care for him. You have to give him shelter. You have to bring him for walks. You have to look after him properly if you're going to keep the dog.
You sound like my wife.
I'm not trying to tell you what to do now, but
You are.
Well then, look, you shouldn't have the dog.
But it's my right to have a dog.
It's not your right to have the dog.
It's my right to give him a
dog's right.
Kicking the when he wants
shelter and be looked after.
So kicking him in the is the only exercise I get.
I hope you're joking now about that.
I am actually.
Okay.
You were very calm.
Look,
You're very calm on the phone, young Nancy.
Who's this?
It's Mick Mulcahy. You're on the Red Rooster on Redfm. Nancy.
Oh my God, I'm shaking here.
I'm not sure your dad's going to speak to me again now after this, but your sisters...
I hope you don't have a dog there at home, Mick, no?
Martha and Meg.
Huh? What about them?
All your sisters, your 3 sisters.
Set me up.
Wanted you wound up for the opening of Creedon's Doggy Daycare.
That's not funny.
This coming Monday. I thought it was hilarious. No,
yeah, I was about to get in the car now and go and find you and take that dog off you.
Look, here he is.
Is that even a real dog?
It's a recording.
I didn't even know that it wasn't a real dog.
I was kicking a chair.
Okay.
You are concerned about animals.
I'm kind of happy now. I'm annoyed now that you've done this to me, but at least there wasn't a dog being kicked around the place and fed cornflakes.
And to all at Creedon's Doggy Daycare, great winding you up today, Nancy.
Thank you very much.
Best of luck with it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.